Today we are going to make a soda jerk. This is one of those drinks that once I saw the ingredients list, I just knew that I had to make it. There's a lot going on in this one, and it is an egg white fizz drink that uses tequila, Campari, and cream soda. Yeah, this is like right up my alley stuff. And several other things are in here as well. The soda jerk was created by Kevin Diedrich, and this just overall seems like a super fun drink to make. So let's just jump into this one. I'm gonna start with half an ounce of a vanilla syrup. The original calls for a vanilla-infused agave syrup. Half an ounce of a passion fruit puree. This is a puree and not a sweetened syrup. Half an ounce of lime juice. Half an ounce of Campari. 2 ounces of a blanco tequila. And then half an ounce of egg white. You could dry shake this, but I like to just shake this with some smaller ice cubes and a large ice cube. I find that works out just as well as dry shaking. Now this is a fizz that is called to be served on ice. Just want to make sure that we leave a little bit of room here because we're now going to top this with about 2 ounces of a cream soda. And for the garnish here, we're just going to do some freshly grated lime zest. So there you go, the soda jerk. All right, let's try this. Cheers. I got some good news. I was expecting this was either going to be on like the really good side of things or a mess and bad. And it's really good. It's fantastic. There's vanilla with tequila. So we get some of those vanilla notes that you're not going to pick up from the tequila I used, obviously, because I used 100% additive-free tequila, but you get those vanilla notes there, obviously from cream soda, which is a vanilla soda. We use vanilla syrup there as well, but that combination of tequila with Campari and passion fruit, like all of those flavors are great. I can't think of a drink I've had tequila, passion fruit, Campari, but I think we need more of that, or maybe just Campari and passion fruit as well. But the tequila there really comes through. If you were to use a different spirit here, like if you used a rum here, I don't think you would be able to get the depth there, and I don't think it would hold up with everything else in here. And that Campari does a lot of work here too, because without it, it would be too sweet. You need that bitter there, just a little bit of that bitter there to go along with the sweetness of the cocktail. Shout out to my good buddy Ian, who signed me up for the Root Beer of the Month Club a couple years ago. I'm still making my way through many of the bottles, but this SLUSHi Cream Soda was in that box. It's not a groundbreaking cream soda, but this one at least, it's definitely less sweet than A&W, a little more muted. Kind of like that. It's not like a big vanilla sugar bomb. So obviously the cream soda you use will depend on how sweet things come through. But man, that agave with Campari, which, I mean, you probably had that in cocktails before, but with the passion fruit and the lime juice, it works together so well. And that little, I shouldn't even say little hint of vanilla, because the vanilla is very prevalent and just delicious. So there you go, folks. The soda jerk from Kevin Diedrich. It is great. This is fantastic. This, if I had a menu, is this going on the menu? Probably. I'm trying to think of all the other cream fizzes I've had here before, and obviously the Rameson fizz is sort of like up here. But you know, if you want to try something that's just like totally different and maybe more delicious, then try the soda jerk. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel, and if you want to support this channel more, check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, see you in the next one.